Yeah.
Yeah, when the Weird just came out about a year ago, I was like, I don't know.
We don't know yet.
Now that I see him,
What's that? We don't know yet.
yeah.
We need to ride it. Yeah. Great looking bike. Yeah.
Let me think about it. Yes. It's a weird looking does.
Electric bike, man.
46 miles in the city. Your range is going to depend on how you're driving it. The regen works off the throttle, so as you throttle down, that's what's regenerating the
I like it.
give you more juice. So, kind of in the city, like if you're riding it kind of like conservatively, like you can get more juice. Highway, just put that, get that control.
Two seats, yeah. You can
I think they look a little.
Electric bike, live wire.
Welcome to Cleveland International Motorcycle Show. Courtesy of Progressive Insurance. And welcome to Harley Davidson display.
About 10 hours.
While you're milling around checking out all the fine trucks that we have on display, make sure that you be sure to check out our fully electric motorcycle, the Live Wire. We've got a what we call a jump start. It's an opportunity to demo it on a dyno. See what it feels like to twist the throttle on an electric motorcycle that goes from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Has a range of 146 miles, top speed of 110 miles per hour. You'll get an 80% charge in 45 minutes on a level 3 fast charger or a full charge in an hour. We're pretty proud of that. That we can tout that. We also have our live jump start experience with our street rod off the distance over there. If you would rather shift the gears, because obviously this electric motorcycle does not have any gears to speak of. In fact, some things you'll find omitted from that bike is under clutch. We also have some new product that will be released later this year. Street Fighter 975, our 1250 touring model. We also have many fine representatives from local dealerships here on the floor if you want to talk about financing or have specific questions about accessories, things like that. Speaking of financing, some of our friends from the Ohio Motor Group are offering as low as 1.99% for up to 72 months with zero down on any brand new Harley. That is good until February 2nd. If you are not from the Cleveland area, but a little bit further away, we've got some fine gentlemen from Hales Harley. They're in Mansfield. They're on the floor as well. Long story short, man, if you want to check anything out, come on over, get entered to win a $500 gift card, and feel free to ask us any questions you might have while you're visiting.
3 miles. Yeah, same thing. You're right. No, I don't want.
Doing great, man.
Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah.
We're working it out. It all works out.
Not overtime. So if I bought this bike, my wife's gonna tell me, get your ass a lawyer.
Get your castrated.
Get your ass a lawyer, separate everything. I have a road key. Yeah, I ride a road key.
Yeah, I got soft tail breakouts.
Oh, breakout?
Yeah.
What year? What year?
2014.
2014. How's it
I
good?
actually got in 2013. They held it during the winter for I bought in November for Thanksgiving.
Oh.
And then I got it in the spring. They held it for me. So
I like it. I mean, it's got the 103 in it, and I know I just like the stretch out feeling. I'm not really into that. I'm into the custom cruiser still. I'm 63, but I still like the sporty look. You know?
How far did you ride?
Well, we ride. Lee and I ride a lot. My brother and I, we get out.
Oh, you just ride around the town then?
Yeah, basically, yeah. We went down Southern Ohio before.
I'm planning to go to Sturgis. That's one my last time, you know what I mean?
Well, that's what I told. For me to go there, I don't think I want to go during when they got the big festival. I just want to go down there and be down that area, go to Rushmore and all that stuff. I'll wait until I retire. I got 4 more years to go and I'm retired. I figured I'd trailer it down, you know, the bike down. Because I know I had a lot of people who went down there. They said, you go down there during when that festival's on, you got to make sure you got your bike in a good spot. But
yeah.
You got the Hells Angels down there. They say they still shit off your bikes.
I know.
They said it's right. I'd rather go down there when you get your motel. You know.
Why don't you just take a flight and then you just rent a bike then?
Yeah, just
rent it, like $99 a day. You know what I mean? You don't need to worry about nothing. Because my friends went there, like, it takes about 3 days from here. Yeah. And you got to deal with the raining, you know what I mean? The weather kind of stuff, and hot. And a bunch of crackhead over there.
That's like when they told us, people I know that go west, but down there, they said, like, if you trailer it, always back your trailer up against the wall somewhere when they can't get back. Plus, you cut your locks off the trailer and get your bike out of there. They say, they'll rob you blind down there.
So you going to Wasabi?
Yeah, I'm going with them, yeah.
I'll make you food.
Hey, I lost 38 pounds. I'm dropping, man. I was bigger.
All right, see ya.
All right.
Hi.
Did you get one of our cards? This is free roadside assistance, bikers helping bikers nationwide.
Oh,
It's free to sign up. It's all volunteer.
Uh-huh.
So there's no cost or obligations. It's just bikers helping bikers. You can sign up here, and this is the bike we're giving away.